Summarizing data shouldn't be stressful. I'll show you right now how to do it within a few minutes, and you literally can share your data with anyone from your manager to the CEO. So look at this data over here. We just have a table that has sales data in various cities, and we want to summarize this data pretty quickly. So we click on the data and come over here. The data is on a table, so we come over here and just go to table design. We can insert a pivot table from here. So it's over here. Just hover over sales design, summarize with a pivot table. So this is one quick way to summarize your data. Click over there, and then Excel will ask you, where do you want to put this pivot table? So basically we want to put it somewhere here. So we'll click there and then click enter. Now all we need to do is design our pivot table. We want to summarize this data by the store, and we want the date to be on the columns. We just drag that and drop that. Then we want the sales to be in the value section over here, and we also want to know the city, on top of the store. So we just drag the city and put it on top of the store. So in each one of these, now we have city, we have the stores, and then we have the dates. We want to format this a little bit because the numbers are all clunked up. We want to make sure that it's formatted as numbers. So we click on any one of those numbers, hover over here, field settings, and there is number format here. Click on that and just go to numbers. We want the 100 separator. We don't want any decimals, and then we want that. Click OK and click OK, and all your numbers are now formatted properly. And another thing you want to do is I want to change this color here. Go to home, change it to a color that is prettier, and I want to change this also. Okay, what's the next thing I want to do? Now that I have this, I want to even make it a little bit cooler. I'll come over, click on anywhere in this section, and then you'll see the pivot table analyze. Click on the pivot table analyze, and then hover over here inside slicer, and we want the slicer to be city. Click enter over here. Okay, then now we want to have the slicer in 3 columns so that it can be a little bit more spacey. Actually, I think I want to stretch it so it covers all of this area here. Now, okay, I want it to be in alignment. Good. Now we can play with this pivot table. If you click on Chicago, it will just bring only Chicago, and if you click on Dallas, it will only show you Dallas data. New York, it will show you only New York. Assuming you want to show New York and Dallas, just hover over here. This is multi-select. Click on that, and then once it's active, click on Dallas. Now it will show you Dallas and New York. You want to add Chicago and do that. If you want to clear it out, you could just clear that X. But basically here we can see Chicago, the stores in Chicago, and the sales that are generated for all these dates. The same with Dallas. We could see New York, the same thing, and we could see the grand total. These are the subtotals right here. These are the subtotals for Dallas, subtotals for New York, and the grand totals. If you were summing up all of this will be the grand total for all of our business. This is the overall total. So within just a few minutes, we're able to create all of these insights, and we could share these insights with anyone. And if they want to look at just any single city, they can just click on it and it will just show them exactly the data for that city. So I hope you like this video. I'll keep it coming. Thank you.